in very competitive rates. So it's a state-private sponsors of the Mami Film Festival is Turkish Airlines. Turkish Cargo is here. So we can basically transport much of the goods, you know, for it's
Bir şeyin zor ya da kolay olduğunu söyleyemiyorum.
I'm not an actor as intellectually involved as saying that a part is a challenge for me or not. I don't think a part as difficult or easy.
Galiba ikna edici sonuçlar da buradan ortaya çıkıyor.
I think more convincing results come out of this kind of approach.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, hi everybody. My question is to both male talents, 1 and 2. If you can just answer my question. मैम अगर आप repeat कर दें मेरे सवाल को इंग्लिश में कि भारतीय कौन सी ऐसी फिल्में हैं जो आपको पसंद हैं, कोई एक्टर्स या एक्ट्रेसेस जिनके आप काफ़ी कायल हैं, जिन्हें पसंद करते हैं?
Are there any Indian actors or actresses that you both like, or any movies that you have both watched and loved?
Hindistan'da sevdiğiniz oyuncular ve beğendiğiniz filmler var mı?
Ya hiç lafı dolandırmadan, yalan söylemeden gerçeği söyleyeceğim. Çok yabancı olduğum bir kültür.
I'm not going to lie to you. I'm really very uninformed about this culture.
Ama bir şarkı vardı, herhalde binlerce kere dinlemiş olabilirim.
But there's one song that I think I have listened to for thousands of times.
Why this Koloveri değil.
Ben de Kaan gibi yabancısıyım ama çocukken bizim Türk televizyonlarında daha çok Hint filmlerine yer veriliyordu. Şimdi biraz uzak kalıyoruz ve işte satellite'da maalesef Hint kanalları yok.
Well, when I was a kid, we used to watch more Indian films on Turkish television channels. Unfortunately, there are less now, so I've been a little less informed now. And then there aren't other, Indian channels among the, international channels that we can view in Turkey.
Yani büyük babamın ve büyük annemin evinde çok net birkaç kere ama Avari, Raj Kapoor'un Avari'yi seyrettiğimi hatırlıyorum.
Well, I remember watching Avare many times at my grandparents' house.
Ve tabii ki şarkısını da.
And of course listening to its song. Well, my grandmother was a big fan. she could never stop talking about that. It was one of the best films she has ever seen.
Yani bu arada konusu hala tekrar yapılsa çok evrensel bir konu. Hala da yani burada da bizim ülkemizde de zenginlik ve fakirlik arasındaki uçurumu anlatan çok nefis bir konusu var ve yani yeniden yapılsa, remake de yapılsa ben tekrar bu kadar sevileceğine inanıyorum.
I think one can make many remakes of this film, which has such a universal and influential subject. The gap between the rich and poor in this world will always exist. So I'm sure audiences will love to watch remakes of Avare.
Yeah, my question is to Mr. Govind. The Minister of Tourism and Culture already extended he's opened his arms to come to Istanbul and do your shoot and everything. Have you have any plans to do your shoot of Three Idiots in Mumbai or in India? Because this film is based, if you see the entire story.
Sorry, I couldn't understand. Remaking,
You're making a Three Idiots
in Mumbai?
In Mumbai, because
With Turkish celebrities, you mean?
Yeah.
So, this is what I understood. So we're going to be shooting Three Idiots in Mumbai with Turkish celebrities.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Is that the question? I have never thought about it. I don't know. Of course, that's why we are here. Tomorrow we're going to have a big forum. We will be meeting the other people, other producer in India. This is the main reason why we are here. We are expecting a sign-up co-production agreement with all the advantages with the two governments. So we haven't met your people yet. We have just arrived to see the city only. Tomorrow, if you ask this question, tomorrow I can give you another better answer. But if you need, I can make up something.
Again, yeah.
Yeah, no, but I can make up.
The same thing like ma'am, Chopra ma'am, how you people support
रोल किशन क्वेश्चन
मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगी, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है सब जब देश को जब इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे जब प्रेजेंट किया
लाइट कट है
बहुत मज़ा आता है। आई थिंक कि इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट ना, एक फिल्म फेस्टिवल में एक प्लेटफॉर्म अगर हम बना सकें जहाँ पर दूसरे देशों से लोग आएँ और यहाँ एक तरह का एक्सचेंज हो और आइडियाज़ का एक्सचेंज हो, और होपफुली कुछ सालों बाद डाउन द लाइन कहीं पर को प्रोडक्शंस हो, बिजनेस हो, हमारी फिल्में वहाँ जाएं, उनकी फिल्में यहाँ आएँ। आई थिंक सबका इसमें फ़ायदा है एंड इट विल ओनली हेल्प कि यू नो टर्की में बॉलीवुड इज़ सो पॉपुलर और यहाँ पर उनका फेरिया इतना पॉपुलर है। तो आई थिंक फॉर अस एज अ फेस्टिवल अगर हम एक बढ़ावा दे सकते हैं, एक इनकरेजमेंट दे सकते हैं, देन वी विल हैव डन आवर जॉब। एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस? आर वी गुड?
मैडम जैसे कि बॉलीवुड में लगातार कंपटीशन होती जा रही है, ए दिल है मुश्किल।
नहीं, मैं ए दिल है मुश्किल के बारे में नहीं बातें करना चाहती, टर्की के बारे में आप पूछ लीजिए।
थैंक यू।
All done? Thank you.